Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Cuet UG response sheet. This is a straightforward process that helps you review your performance. First, you will need to navigate to the official examination website. Once there, look for the dedicated candidate login area. You will then use your unique application number and a secure password to access your personal dashboard. This initial step is crucial for retrieving your valuable response data. Once you are successfully logged into your candidate portal, the next step is to locate the specific link for your response sheet. This link is typically labeled something like View Response Sheet or Download Answer Key. Clicking on it will display your complete set of answers. Take a moment to thoroughly review each question and your corresponding selection. Finally, ensure you download and save this document, preferably as a PDF file, for future reference. Your response sheet is a vital tool for understanding your performance in the examination. It clearly shows every question you attempted and the answer you selected. You can then compare these with the provisional answer key, which is usually released shortly after. This comparison allows you to calculate an estimated raw score, giving you an early indication of your performance. It is an excellent way to reflect on your strengths and areas for future development. Remember a few important tips for a smooth experience. Always keep your application number and password confidential to protect your personal data. Make sure to download your response sheet promptly, as there is often a limited window for access. If you face any technical difficulties during the process, do not hesitate to reach out to the official support team for assistance. This sheet is a valuable resource for your academic journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.